starting with my first vlog. How are you all? And this is my washroom. No, this is not my washroom. Welcome to my first vlog. This is Ruchika and I'm standing in Shepherd Bush. Best feel. How are you all? If you can see, I'm holding a bag and everything. It's like I'm a little bit hectic to see myself like this. But I'm good right now, just to go. So let's get outside of this place, and as you can see, it's such a nice. You will be amazed after having so much coronavirus. People are outside, and some of them are not wearing masks, and that's really difficult to see them. Okay. Basically, I'm lost right now, not able to find the exit. So as you can see, I'll make a tour so good because I'm not a tourist, by the way, but I have roamed little bit of places in the world. Let's start touring this place. This is seriously nice. I used to go a lot. Sometimes I used to be alone. Right now I'm with one of my friends. So have a look on this. Such a nice place, man. If you can see, this is also a night shop. Once again, if somebody doesn't know where I am, I'm in Shepherd Bush, Westfield. After having shopping from H&M, I'm going to go from this place, but yeah, you can have a look over this. There is View Cinema Hall. We have everything in this mall. You can have a look if you want to come here. And if you want to know, just comment me down on my blog so I can answer your every questions. Have a look. This is Nike shop, one of my favorites. My dream shop, as you can have a look. As you can look over this as well. Nice shopping area, a nice weather, but the virus has not took away our lives. We are back to our life. If you're watching people without mask, consider us as like people are careless, but I am not. I am taking safety consideration, everything. As you can see, we are going bye-bye. There is an offer going on here. Have a look. Teddy bear. Have a look. So actually this was the entrance where we came from, and at last I found this location, and you can see it's such a nice location to have, like you can have your days well spent. And so this is one of the best locations I have ever been to, like 4 or 5 times. So I can give you a recommendation to come at least once in your lifetime if you're living in London and you're bored with your whole day stuff, to just calm yourself, come here, have a look on things, and you'll be happy. I'll be introducing myself in my second vlog, but you can become my, whatever you call me. I can become your tour guide. So this one is my first vlog, and I'm going to give you a tour of London, their education system, everything. Right now it's a shopping mall, so just chill. Oh, this is also one of my favorites, Ted Baker. It's a nice shop. You can have a look. See the view, man. It's so nice. Louis Vuitton, everything. Have you heard one of the songs that is called Prada? Have a look, Prada. My friend is busy with his location, like finding where the exit is. So until that time, I'm gonna be vlogging for you people. Be happy, be grateful to everyone. Now I think maybe I found it. Where to have an exit? Nicest car parking, as you can see. Hold on, you can watch anything you see. Considering me, I'm not able to find the exit. And lastly, we found an exit, and you can have a look. It's great. This is the exit, where we entered and where we exited. So if I'm a little bit of I'm really nervous right now, but that's fine. It's my first vlogging, so better. As you can see, there are so many people outside. After the pandemic, no difference you can take off from this place. If you're hearing my voice a little bit like this, like if you can't able to hear, I'm really sorry for that. See the people, how they are sitting. No mask on. That's a trend, man.
We'll go in white.
This is Shepherd Bush. Oh, have a look. There we are. I'm in my favorite store. That is Superdrug. I love makeup, but I don't do much. So for this, I'm gonna do one vlogging for this store as well. You can find a lot of stuff here, lot of makeups, lot of purelets. But I would suggest you, makeup doesn't make you beautiful. Your inner peace, your calmness, and everything. So what I was talking about, that makeup doesn't make you beautiful. The beautiful, I'm gonna explain it in a better way. So let's first I need to select my nail paint. Just wait. This is one of the stations where we can go to Paris, France. Ooh.
सेंट पेंक्राज इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट नाम है। तो यहाँ से पूरे यूरोप की ट्रेन जाती हैं, स्विट्जरलैंड, पेरिस, फ्रांस, बेल्जियम, ऑस्ट्रिया, वीनस, सबकी ट्रेन यहीं से जाती है। जस्ट यू नीड अ वीजा एंड बोर्डिंग पास, दैट्स इट, स्ट्रेट अवे यू कैन गो फ्रॉम देयर। ओके,
So this is Saint Pancras station. As my friend earlier explained everything about this station, you can have a look over this. So he was explaining in Hindi. So sorry for the language. We have like 2 languages. I'm using English and Hindi both. So you can enjoy my vlogging, man.
इंटरनेशनल डिपार्चर देख रहे हैं, यहाँ से हम टिकट वो लेते हैं, बोर्डिंग पास लेते हैं और यहाँ पे स्कैन किया और सीधा यूरोप की ट्रेन पकड़ ली।
Yeah, this is like kind of platform, airlines
Immigration.
platform. Yeah.
After crossing this, there is the next towards immigration.
So we can book the tickets over this place. You can have a look over this.
Just go to their boardings and just go over there, you know.
You have currency exchange as well, so you don't need to worry about the currency. Everything is available over here. So take a look. Have a look on this. Trains and everything. Where is the entry and exit? This is exit.
This is National Rail, by the way.
Oh my God.
The international departure is also there. तो देखा भाई इंटरनेशनल, ये आप कह रहे थे जो
हाँ,
देखना है,
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया.
अभी इधर है।
So we can have another look also. Like, oi, see the location, so nice. What a view! You can have a look. One of the best libraries in London. This is British Library. Have a look. Near to St. Pancras station, and you can come over, have a sit, read a book. It will make your day. That's only stuff. So I was giving you a look of London, and that's the bestest place to live. I'm living by, like, it's my 1.5 year right now, but I'm enjoying my day over here.